Welcome to the Insta360 Ace unboxing, and this isn't the Ace Pro, it's just the regular Ace, and it isn't the Ace 2, but it's the regular Ace. So we're gonna whip out a trusty dusty knife here, and we're gonna get right into unboxing whatever this thing is. So we're gonna start off at the bottom, and we're gonna struggle like we always do, okay? And we're gonna quickly take it out, and just listen to this. Just listen to the crackling. You hear that? You hear that? I know you hear that. Yeah, so let's get right into it. Let's open up the front door. And there you go, we have the camera. And I'm pretty stupid, right? That's why I'm holding it like that. And I'm pulling it out with the lens. This is what you like to call a pure intellectual. And moving on, right? We're going to put the camera to the side, whip out the accessory box. We're going to take out what's inside the accessory box, guys. Guess what's inside? Accessories. Oh my god. This is a camera attachment which attaches to other attachments. And this is another attachment that goes onto the attachment attacher. And basically, right? Yeah, and a bunch of stickers, some safety manuals that basically nobody reads. You got a USB-C cable used for charging. Guess what? And now we have the big star of the show, the camera itself. It's got a start button. It's got a button to record. It's got a Q button that I don't know what it does, but it probably does something. And yeah, basically these two buttons are to lift up the screen to take it into selfie mode. And on the inside, it's got a bunch of Chinese writing. Great, who doesn't like that? And yeah, basically, yeah, this is how the camera looks like. Now we're gonna get a in-depth dive into the camera itself. So on the side you have the start button, and guess what the start button does? It starts the camera. Oh my goodness. And yeah, basically you can flip the screen, right? And you can point at yourself and expose how you look like to the rest of the world. And then great. Now you basically have this, you can change the resolution. It goes with the 6K, 30 FPS. You got a drop down menu with a bunch of settings. I don't know what they do. You got the screen on the front, which tells you if you're recording or not. And you got the Q button, and you got the record button, which you press, it starts to record. Great, amazing. It does what it's supposed to. Don't mind this recording, please. Basically, once you're done recording, you can swipe right or left, I don't know, and you can see what you recorded. Yeah, that's basically the end of the video. Peace. I'll see you guys inside the next one. Or not end.